Hi friends, how are you all doing? Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how I made the pan South Indian dish Sambar in the typical Kerala way. Firstly, half a cup of cleaned Toor dal or Sambar dal is pressure cooked in 2 cups of water. Meanwhile, 3 serving spoons of freshly grated coconut is roasted along with 2 to 3 small onions and few curry leaves. This takes about 10 minutes, and once the roasting is halfway through, a pinch of cumin seeds, peppercorns and fenugreek seeds are also added and continued to be roasted until the rawness is off. After this, a teaspoon of chilli powder, 2 teaspoons of coriander powder, 1.5 teaspoons of sambar powder are also added and stirred for a minute. The sambar powder consists of Asafoetida or hing, which gives the typical taste of sambar. Next, a small lime-sized portion of tamarind is soaked in half a cup of water. And then the veggies such as pumpkin, carrot, drumstick, etc. are diced and allowed to cook in warm water, adding a teaspoon of turmeric powder and salt. And the pressure cooked dal is also added into it. The roasted coconut is then ground into a fine paste, and once the veggies seem to be almost cooked, a few slices of lady's finger and diced tomato are also added and kept covered for cooking. After 2 minutes, the soaked tamarind extract is poured and boiled, and it is boiled well for at least 2 minutes. You can even boil for 5 minutes. Next, the ground paste is added and the curry is cooked for 2 to 3 minutes. In case your sambar powder does not have Asafoetida in it, you can add some at this time. The final tempering is done. And yes, the traditional Kerala sambar is ready. It's really yummy and is a very good combination for rice and is a star ingredient in most Kerala feasts. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll meet you again in another video. Until then, bye bye, take care.